What's good, everybody? Welcome on today's stream. Welcome on a CryptoStars channel. If you guys don't know me, my name is Jan. Today we're gonna dive in to the BTC chart, and we're also gonna be talking about the FOMC meeting news that we have today in approximately 2 hours from now. So hopefully everything is working. I think that you should be able to see me. You should be able to hear me. And now you should be able to see my screen. So before we're gonna start with some TA, let me know if everything is running well. I think that it is. You can do it either here or inside our Discord group. But we're gonna start. All good, perfect, all good, all good. Okay, let's jump right into it then. Let's start with some BTC TA. Then we're gonna check Euro USD. And then we're just gonna have a chill talk. I think that I'm gonna stay here a little bit longer today than usually, so we'll see how it goes. Cool, so we are starting on a BTC chart. What did we get here? Well, we gotta move to the upside. Very nice one from this swing failure pattern that we've created down there. So what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna mark out this level like this. So kind of like a deviation below the daily. We tested the daily to the dollar. We're going to move to the upside to hit the value area low of this range. We test this as a resistance, move to the downside to the SFP area. Now we're going to move to the upside. So what next? Well, I'm paying attention. Let me hide this. Oh, my mouse actually right now just died. I need to connect this to some charger. Wait. Okay, this is unfortunate. I'll have to use the MacBook. I'm just gonna charge it for 10-15 minutes. Yeah, it should be okay. You know what, I'm gonna do it like this. Okay, cool. Yeah, so what did we get here? Well, we gotta move to the upside, obviously, like I said. Now we are looking for this daily level that we have up there. This one, so as you can see, this is the local resistance, the one that we are getting rejected from right here. So we're gonna mark it out. Very simple stuff. I'm teaching this even in a free spectator section, so you don't have to be a wizard member for this to know about how to use these daily levels. If we go to lower time frame, we can go down to like 15 minutes. You see, respected pretty well twice. You know, we got front run by approximately $15, so very well respected so far. Okay. Hello, hi guys, what's good? Welcome on a stream. So anyway, right now we are getting bounced out of this daily 16,300. So what I was saying is that I was actually expecting that this level is going to flip into from resistance into support, which is kind of a thing that we are getting right now. We're going to add up to this. So we can go to like a 1 hour time frame, and we're going to add some Fibonacci's. I'm going to pull this from this low to the current high, which is here. As you can see, we also have a 618 and a 66 a little bit below it. I think that even if I'm going to pull From this low, we're gonna get a 382 around here. Yeah. So locally, we are hitting support very clearly. Am I long in? No, I'm not. And I'm gonna tell you the reason in the upcoming minutes, but simply said, just because of the news, okay? So right now I'm just staying on the sidelines. We'll see how it goes, but we know that intraday this is local support. Let's check more things so we can go to the exo charts. And we're gonna open daily TPO and play it. Yeah, this is what I thought. It's also previous day value area high. As you can see on this one, it should be better visible. Yeah, previous day value area high. So clearly this is the support on a BTC chart. We honestly don't have to do anything else since we have the level. We can check for like a naked POC, but naked POC won't be there obviously since it's a previous day value area high. And the POC is coming in a little bit lower, approximately what, $160 lower. So yeah, that's gonna be the next level. But this is the first one. What we're gonna do is we're gonna pay attention to some absorption. If there will be some, some CVD divergences, could be possible entry for some scalp/day trade. But right now, I would rather be staying on sidelines because of the news that we are expecting today. So obviously, we are expecting some volatility. These quick news movements. But anyway, I wouldn't see this as a front run of this box. I still think we're gonna, revisit this area. I can be wrong though, but I would rather patiently wait for exact area to be hit before taking any setup here. Okay, let's go to Euro USD chart now. We got a really nice short today, which obviously we took profits already. I gave the clear call today. So once I entered, I showed the message. Once I took profit, I also shared the message. So yeah, we killed this very, very well executed. But now let's pay attention to what's happening here right now. We can hide the naked POC that we have here. And we're gonna draw some Fibonacci. So from this high to this low, as you can see, we are actually hitting the 618 and a 6.6. That's the reason why we are getting rejected out of here right now. This is locally resistance on the chart. Once we're gonna reclaim this, I would be looking back up to this area right here, so around there. Is it a safe long? Not yet. But once you're going to reclaim this area, preferably with some retest, so you want to see this, then this is a safe long back up there. Am I a financial advisor? Obviously, I'm not. So keep that in mind, but be aware of this level, kind of a safe trade that you can take here. Okay, guys, so let's pay attention to today's news. I'm going to open the website. Just going to sign in. We'll go to economic news. And we are waiting for this FOMC meeting minutes. And I was wrong, it seems, with the time. I'm not sure if I was really, or because there was, the winter time change. So actually maybe we're going to be getting them 1 hour earlier. And yeah, I was actually wrong, I think. Let me go back to the trading view. Yeah. It's gonna be in 40 minutes from now. Sorry, 48, yeah. 48 minutes from now, we are expecting FOMC minutes meeting. Yeah, we'll see how it goes. So yeah, I'm gonna be 100% live when this is gonna be happening. So stay tuned, stay here on the stream. We're gonna check that together. Last time we got the FOMC minutes statement, actually not like a huge volatility, but it's not 17:12 for me right now. Let me actually get my time frame or my time zone. I'm still wondering about the time. Okay, so it's gonna be 8 p.m. Okay, guys, I made you confused, but yeah, it's gonna be 8 p.m. So standard time that we are expecting. What about the trading view? Why it's showing me different time? No, it's actually. I'm gonna zoom in. It should be here 1 hour later, or this is 4 hour time frame. So that's gonna be the problem. Yeah, no, it's right. 8 p.m. Okay, so yeah, in 1 hour, yeah, 7 p.m. UTC. You're wrong. You're right. Yeah. 1 hour and 40. Yes, exactly. You're right. 1 hour and 40 from now. Okay, so yeah, I'm not sure if I will be actually streaming live. Most likely I won't, but we will see. On a gold, we actually got pretty nice SFP, as you can see, 1 hour time frame. If we will go down to the 5 minute, this could have been a nice long out of this. This would be the entry, this candle right there. I would be looking for these highs back again. This one, yeah. I think that we are getting rejected out of the value area high. Let's check this. I'm pretty sure that we are. Yeah. Okay, so cool. As you can see, we got a one SFP down there, long, second SFP up there, value area high, back to the value area low. So very nice scalping opportunities right now on a gold. Look at this. Yeah. Very, very nice. Yeah, I was wrong. In 1 hour and 40 minutes, not in 1 hour. Okay, so let's check S&P. What's happening there? If you guys remember, when we were right here, I was saying we are most likely going back to 4,000. Let me try to find a message because I'm pretty sure that I was also posting this too. Trying to find the message now. Can't find it, but yeah, I'm 100% sure that I said it on a stream. It's like 3 weeks ago. I think it was on the last FOMC meeting. When was the last FOMC meeting? Or Fed? It was like 27th of October. Something like this, I think. So when we are here. And look at this. Look at the key level, how well it's been respected. We got what, approximately 2.6% down. Trying to retest this locally, obviously, 4 hour and daily time frame, creating an uptrend. So I would be a little bit more cautious shorting now, but once we're gonna break through this, then I will be looking back down to 3,700 area ish and even lower. Yeah, we'll see how it goes, but clearly this will be flipping trend once we're gonna break through this. Oh, silver, he was actually long in this DSFP. Nice one. But seems like you were a little bit too late to the entry. weren't you? It seems like what 1736 was your entry. Could have been a bit better, but obviously it played out, so it's good. Let me just lower the screen a bit. Yeah, it should be okay now. Okay, let's go back to gold. Let's analyze this a bit. Honestly, I haven't been trading gold in like last what? I don't know, I don't know, like three weeks, maybe five weeks already. I don't know. Yeah, something like this. I stopped. I'm trading Euro USD and BTC now on FTMO mostly. Yeah, like this value area high locally, important resist. We are flipping. Look at this. This is the thing that I'm teaching inside the course. But when price is hovering around the VWAP, this is not a place where you want to be trading VWAP, right? You want to see gap between the price and a VWAP. Once you have the gap, then the VWAP is usually very, very well respected. But once you are getting like this hover movement around it, I wouldn't really care about the VWAP. And as you can see, gold on a VWAP on a gold is not the best one. It's not the best pair to use. The VWAP here, if you'll go to like BTC USD, here it's been respected much more on intraday basis. So if you will go to, I don't know, 15-minute time frame, look at this. Every time when you get the gap, this is the gap, bounce. This is the gap. You also got small bounce. But then you lost the level once again. You have the gap hitting the VWAP, getting rejected. Now you have another gap, so you would expect another reaction out of the VWAP. Obviously, when the VWAP resets, we can really count that it's been respected. But I don't like trading around the VWAP when you are getting something like this, right? Like these choppy movements, or this is not the best example because you weren't really able to spot this in advance. But for example, here, I wouldn't trade around the VWAP, even though like it played out. This is just not a place where I want to take trades based on a VWAP. Same here, right? And look at this, like it's being respected. Don't get me wrong, but it's what? $50 movement. Do you want to be trading $50 movements? Well, most likely not, right? If you are not like aggressively scalping, which I'm not. So this is exactly the thing that I'm looking for. You want to see gap between the VWAP and the price. Once you have the gap, you are looking for a retest. You are getting in, taking a trade. And this is $220 approximately to the downside. Enough for a scalp, for some day trade. Absolutely enough. VWAP is like gravity. Silver hesitated a little bit. I mean, you won the trade, so it doesn't matter in the end. Doesn't matter. What about the Forex funds? Do you like it? Let's talk about it a bit. I'm actually planning to take it too, the Forex funds. So I will have like another capital. I want to reach 1 million in capital till the next year. Or sorry, like till the end of the next year. So not like till the end of December. So yeah, we'll see how it goes. Obviously, like the prop firms are the way how you can grow this very quickly. What I'm planning to do, which I'm actually planning to record a video about this since I did some research, I'm planning to use like a trade copier, right? So there is one thing called, I don't know what's the name of it, I don't remember it. It's a really like a weird name, but I can find it later. Anyway, it costs like $140 a month, but you can connect more MT4 accounts to one. So you're gonna select like your main one, and all the other accounts will be copied by the main one, right? What is also cool is you can type in multiplier, which means that if you have 100k account where you enter with 5 lots and your second account has 200k, you're gonna select multiplier 2x. So basically, if your first position was 5 lots, the volume on your second account with 200k is gonna be 10 lots automatically. So you don't even have to care about the position sizing. The bad thing about this is that obviously on every single exchange and the broker, the price is a little bit different. You have a slippage and these things. So you may get stopped out on one account and you not gonna get stopped out on a second account and so on and so forth. So this is just like the thing that I'm trying out right now. But yeah, we'll see. I'm doing some research about it still. I'm right now more into. I'm working on a Euro USD a lot actually. I'm doing a backtesting every single day, like I don't know for what, 2 hours maybe. I don't know if you can see it, but on screen. I'm gonna go full screen, like here. Here I have my journal right there. Can you see that? I think that you should. And I'm just like going through the replay mode, writing down everything and seeing what works, what doesn't work. So right now I'm at 35 wins and 3 losses. Quant Tower has these options, but a Quant Tower is like a order flow software, isn't it? I'm not sure if it is. I think that it's Quant Tower because I remember this name when I was looking for some order flow on a gold, but it's not for Mac, the Quant Tower, I think. Is it only broker? Yeah, it's the order flow platform. Yeah, this was the thing that I was talking about. I think that it's only for Mac. If it's not, I'm actually gonna give it a try. But I think that it is. Okay, they support a lot of exchanges. It's cool, but I wanna see. Yeah, it's only for Windows. Yeah, not for Mac. Yeah, I see. That sucks. I don't get this. Bybit has free premium access. Really? How can you get free access to this? Or how much is it? The pricing is very good actually. $70 for everything, that's so good. Okay, this is cool. So for people watching, you can give it a try if you have Windows, and you'll see. And I know that I can use like parallels and these things, but I just don't want to be using this. Yeah, I see. You just log in with Bybit API and you have the premium for free. Yeah, that's cool. That's nice. Totally. By the way, if any one of you are trading or thinking about trading on Bybit, use my Bybit affiliate link. You'll support the channel, obviously, and you'll help me in growing this business. Just marking out possible levels on Euro USD where we could be looking in the next few hours. I would actually be looking for a new higher high to be put it in. So above this previous wick, which would be somewhere around the upper daily. But we'll see. Where does FTMO MT4 get chart data from? You mean like what broker they use? I'm still not 100% sure about what they use. Okay, so it's saying that they bought some GFD broker. I wanted to get here, yeah. Okay, let's do, for example, Euro USD. The spread is very small, obviously, as you can see. It's a live spread, by the way. You can find it in the contract you signed when you got funded. Oh, really? You know what? I'm gonna find it, okay? I'm just thinking of where it's gonna be, but let me find it. We're gonna check that. I'm gonna open the email on the phone. Or I think the contract is actually inside the client area. Isn't it? Hopefully you guys can see my keyboard. Oh my god. I forgot about that. Oh yeah, it's here. Where it's gonna be? FTMO traders. Oh yeah, contracts. So I see some invoices, termination letter, FTMO account agreement. Yeah, it's gonna be probably this, right? FTMO. Okay, I'm just reading the contract. FTMO account. FTMO trading shall provide. Five point three. Forbidden trading practices performed alone or in concert with any other persons, including between connected accounts or accounts held with different FTMO entities, trades or combinations of trades, the purpose of which is to manipulate trading, for example, by simultaneously entering into opposite positions. I've never read this actually, so it's absolutely new for me. It's prohibited to use ultra high speed or mass data entry, which might manipulate, abuse, or give you an unfair advantage when using our system or services. But I still don't see this actually. Here it's divided to processing demo trace data, reward, use of the services, limitation, confidential communication, duration of the agreement. Is there any specific duration said? No, I don't see any. You know what's interesting? One here, the rollover reward means that unpaid portion of the reward that will remain available at a given amount to the customer in the form of demo capital and will be added to the capital for further demo trading in the next reference period. The thing is that they keep talking even about the live account as a demo account. So I was talking about this already. They are working with more brokers. Yeah, that's what I thought. Latest are CM markets and GBE brokers. Yeah, like the interesting thing about this prop firm is that like 100% you are connected to a demo account even once you pass the challenge for, I don't know, maybe 2 or 3 months. They have people that will go through your data, go through your statistics. They want to get an overall picture of how you trade and how you act in a different market environments. The thing is that once they see, okay, like this guy, he's actually like he knows what he's doing. Let's connect him to the live account. And don't get me wrong, you'll get paid even in a like once you pass the challenge, you'll get paid. But maybe you are still connected to demo account. They're gonna pay you from the money that they are making from the challenges, or just from like a other successful traders. Once they know that, okay, this guy, he's actually, or he knows what he's doing, they can connect you to 500,000 account. You know what I mean? So you think that you are trading 100k, but you may be trading 500,000 or 1 million, and they are just using like a multiplier that I was talking about, right? So they are just like using your strategy, using your decision. So is it a bit of a downside? I don't know. Like honestly, like I don't care. Once as soon as I'm gonna be paid from them, or as soon as they're gonna pay me my profit split that I made with 100k account, I don't care if they made more or whatever it is. It's how it works. If you're still on a demo account that you get profits, then you are past to a proper broker. You know what? I'm gonna check the second letter. I'm planning to do like series actually about the prop firms and so on. So yeah, we'll see. Yeah, exactly. This is the thing that I was talking about. Uh, uh, yeah. FTMO made public the numbers. I think that only 10% passed the challenge, so they make good profits still and afford to pay profits. Yeah, exactly. This is the thing. I think the guy, I saw this in some podcast. The guy, this one was from my Forex funds. He said that only 3% of people that participate in a challenge can actually pass it or make it to the first profit withdrawal because or profit split. This is the thing. Like you can still make it to being funded, but then you still you made 15% in what, maybe 1 month, 2 months, whatever it is. You're on a live account. You need to make another 10 or 15% or just some profit to get the profit split. That's what I'm saying all the time. You need to wait for a small profit. I don't care if it's going to be 5%. I will just wait. And once I see small profit, I'm going to take the profit on FTMO. I'm going to get that first profit split. That's all you need, right? You're going to wait for first profit splitting time or profit splitting, you know what I mean? Just the period. Then it's risk free. You'll get your money back from your challenge. From the account challenge. You don't need anything else. Exactly. Even if they pass, yeah, most don't reach the first payout and blow the accounts. Exactly. That's how I think about it. Like, make it the first profit split and you are done with the account. You made your money, the investment is back, you made the profit, and now you can play with it. And once you're gonna think about it like this, you will feel much more free. And even if you're gonna lose the account, which I think I've never said this on a live stream, but I actually lost my account. That's why I'm not on a 125k yet, and I have to do this all 4 months consistently profit again, because it was so stupid mistake that I was just like I would feel like really like at the time I felt about it like really stupid, but I think I'm gonna share it now since I'm over it already. But it was in August. I think that I said this already to Pigman. Like some of you already know this, but I lost the account by a really stupid mistake. You guys know in August I started trading a lot of the Euro USD, gold, and also BTC, but I was trading 3 accounts at once, right? So basically, both of my Bybit accounts and then FTMO account, and I forgot about the FTMO position. So I completely forgot it. I'm still in. I forgot to set stop loss, which usually I'm not doing, but I was just like so focused on Bybit since I have like more capital here. And I exceeded my daily profit loss, the 5K. So I lost the account. Fortunately, it was after like 3 days of the new challenge, or not challenge, but of the new account. You know what I mean? After the profit split. So basically, I didn't lose any like my profit or something, but I lost the FTMO account and I had to do the challenge again. So Mutsik said I used it. I'm a bit confused. What do you mean? Even if they pass here, yeah, we are talking about it. So yeah, that's why I'm not with 125k yet. But the lesson is learned. Like you just can't manage more than like 2 accounts at once. And I was day trading with 3 accounts. You know how stupid I am. What I was doing is, inside the Safari, I had 1 account. In a Google Chrome, I had another account, and then on the phone, I had like the FTMO, right? And simply, I don't know, I got caught up in a situation. It was quite quick actually, and I got stopped out on 2 accounts, and then I received like a Gmail message from FTMO. So I opened the message, and here it says you exceeded your daily blah 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 blah. You lost the account, and I was like, oh my goodness, I was actually in. So, but yeah, this is the thing. Like, don't be greedy, because I was greedy. I was clearly greedy, to be honest. I wanted to make more. FTMO and my Forex funds push people to lose. Into trade is one of the few that really make you a disciplined trader with a maintain consistency rule. Do they? I don't know. So let's check the into trade. What's the difference? I've never really heard about them actually. I had a call with Audacity Capital this week. So how it works is you don't even have to pay any challenge. You're just gonna have a 25-minute call with them, and you will show them like a strategy or a risk management. They're gonna ask you a few questions, and you're just gonna pay the fee, and you're ready to go with. This is the problem. This is why I've never signed up to them. How it works with Audacity Capital is that you're gonna pay the fee, but you will only receive 10k, right? And once you're gonna pass 10%, like a profit goal, you're gonna receive 25, then like 30, 35, 40. So it's like a lot of steps to get to a big capital. So it's for me, it's no sense. I'm rather gonna take my Forex funds or FTMO. I'm gonna take the challenge, which is gonna take me 1 month, 3 weeks, whatever it is, and yeah, it's easier to get to the bigger capital. Oh, it's pretty cheap actually. Was a Gauntlet Mini? What it is? The goal is only 6k. Is there any Black Friday on like FTMO or my Forex funds? There is not probably, right? Or is there? Nope. Says $550. Let's check the MyForex funds. Like, I'm not planning to take any challenge now, since, uh, December is not the best month for you to take the challenge, to be completely honest, since there will be like a holiday time, small movements in the market. I would rather stay on the sidelines in December than actually taking a challenge. It's loading up the MyForex funds. The maintain consistency rule states that over the course of your examination, no single trading day can, I guess, can increase account for 30% or more of your total PNL. Okay, that's actually smart. That's good, yeah. So the MyForex funds are actually more expensive than the FTMO. Are they? I'm not sure. No, yeah. $4.99. Where is the target? Oh yeah, here. 8% and 5%. So basically, the only better thing on the MyForex funds is the price, and that you need to make 2% less. And they are cheaper. So this is the earn to trade, and let's check. Let's prove your skills. So you are paying 136 monthly? Do I get it correctly? It's a monthly subscription. Uh-huh. I don't get this actually. I'm a bit confused. So the profit goal 9K on a 150 account. Okay. I don't get it. Like here, do you get the account immediately or how it works? Probably not, right? When you hit the target, you withdraw your profit and upgrade to 50k account. This continues until you reach the 200k account. Once you reach your profit goal on that, you will get a customer offer. Or custom offer, sorry. That's good actually, the custom offer. But overall, it's just much easier to sign up for FTMO 200k, you know. You get two accounts, one with strict rules, one to blow up. Cool, cool. But yeah, like I'm still just sticking to the FTMO, probably. But I'm gonna check this. I just don't like that you need. It's gonna take you probably a lot of time to. Or is it that once you're gonna reach the profit, you will automatically moving to like a bigger account? Obtain. So how can I obtain? The 200k account can be only acquired by upgrading your live accounts 25k, 50k, and 100k, and reaching the profit target at each step. Once you have the 200k account, you will be given a 6,000 fixed drawdown non-trailing to get a customer offer from the prop firm. You must reach a profit target of 12k. Let's check charts a bit. Okay, we are getting move up. You move up once you reach the profit minimum 15 days. But when I'm gonna get the profit split? So let's say that okay, I'm on a 10k account, or what's the starting point? 25k. So I reach the profit target. I reach it, they're gonna pay me. And I'm gonna move to okay, so this I get it now. This is the evaluation. You'll get paid out even after this one, I guess, since it's called live sim account. Or you need to go to junior live account, this one, and then they will pay you. You're gonna get paid. You're gonna move to 50k. You're gonna get paid 100k, and so on and so forth. I guess yeah, right. That's how it works. So each week you get the profit split. Are you like from into trade or Do you have any experience with them or what? A friend is trading 200k account. I failed my first attempt. Okay. What else do we have from the funding pro firms? We have like Earn to Trade, My Forex Funds, Audacity, E8 I think it's called. E8 Capital. EA Funding, yeah. So the face, you have your faces here. Okay, so this is the same like with the FTMO. Phase 1 is the first step of the evaluation process. Traders must pay a fee for the trial account and must succeed here to advance to the risk assessment stage. This proves trading skills and discipline in observing the rules. So the 8% profit target, 8% drawdown. Okay, here the advance is that you don't have to wait the 10 trading days. That's good. Here 5 and maximum 60. Okay, so it's very similar. And it's actually the most expensive one, it seems. And I'm confused. Here you have EA track and EA account. This one is more expensive than the EA track. Okay, so here's the difference. What's the difference between the E8 funded account and LF8 funded account? An EA account is our two-phase trading evaluation, blah, 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 blah. The LF8 account is similar. However, the starting balance will always be 100k, and once you receive your first LF8 funded account, it will be so once you're gonna get your profit split, it will automatically increase to another 100k, so 200k every single 30 days. As long as you follow the trading objectives and the rules and achieve the profit target of 16% in 30 days. Okay, that's quite big though. Like, this is the thing with these pro firms. They push, and like, this is a very good example. They push you to make big profit, you know, like 16% every single month. Imagine that. That's like a really good result. But the thing is, you need to do this every single month, and you can't exceed like the daily loss and so on, you know. So they like push you to fail. This is the thing that we are talking about. But they are making money mostly on the fees. That's why this one is the most expensive one. This one is $800, I think. Yeah, 888. But I don't see the difference between the EA and EA track. Also, how they calculate the daily drawdown? That's a good question. Okay, so that's good. Daily drawdown is initially calculated by 5% of your initial balance or scaled balance of your account. Hey, Anna, are you still expecting volatility even though the news came out to 2 point? Yeah. Good point. We got a news in the afternoon that I actually didn't mention in today's video. We talked about them in a Wizards. The thing with the FOMC minutes is that even last time we didn't really get any like a huge volatility, but we'll see. Usually you'll get at least some, right? So in 55 minutes, they will release it. So we'll see how it goes. We got a news already, obviously, but we are still waiting for that FOMC meeting minutes to share the speech or to share the thought from the session or meeting they had 2 weeks ago. FTM is top for me, yes, same for me. Funded next. Okay, I can check that. That is a direct live account. It's trailing stop loss. So the EA account is direct live account? Really? No. Probably not, right? This is also important. Like, how fast will I receive my EA account? So this is the thing that I was talking about a few weeks ago. But what I would do if I would be starting out, or if I was starting out the FTMO now, I would wait for a good setup. And once I see that, okay, today we have a nice opportunity, only then I would buy the challenge. Don't do that you're going to buy it on Monday. I'm just creating a scenario, okay? Don't do that you're going to buy it on Monday and then you think that, okay, I'm just going to wait for opportunity. That's no sense for me. Just like wait for opportunity first, because what can happen is you're going to stay on the sidelines for 1 week, you know, and from 30 days you have only 23 left. So without any trade, you're gonna be impatient, not sticking to the plan, not disciplined. So what I would do is I would wait for the perfect possible setup where you are like really sure that, okay, this is the high probability one. It's worth to take it. Once I see that I'm gonna buy the challenge and I'm gonna receive my account, then I'm gonna try trade it. You know, doesn't really make sense for me to like buy it now and just like believe that you will get some opportunity. like most likely you will get, but it's worth to be patient here, in my opinion. So let's take the funded next. Funded next. I don't see the amount I need to reach. Express model. Your goal in this model will be to hit 25 profit target with no time limit. Once you achieve the target, you will start trading on funded next funded account with a 60% profit split. The profit split percentages can be increased all the way up to 90% based on your performance. Evaluation. Okay, so it's it's exactly the same as the FTMO. Cool. But like when I see this, I would automatically go for the FTMO since it's like the biggest one, and yeah, most established one. You know what I mean? You're always struggling with their VP. It's definitely, I don't want to say definitely because you never know, but most likely we're not going to break through it today. Do they still have holiday? Probably not, right, in the US, but like so far this week, really poor. FTMO is the Binance of prop firms. No, FTMO is Bybit of prop firms. I'm a good example of affiliate promoter. No, of course, like yeah, Binance is probably the biggest one, the best one to use. You're right. For like switching to fiat and so on, it's probably better. I agree with you. I'm just kidding, of course. Thanksgiving tomorrow. Okay. So tomorrow we are once again not expecting any volatility, I guess. It's obviously good to know. Good to know. Okay, so what else should we check? Nothing is really happening. Let's open exo charts. Let's play with order flow a bit. I'm gonna start using my mouse again. Should be charged. All good. Uh, uh, uh. So let's start with the sessions. Haven't really been checking sessions yet today. So let's check it. We have the NBOC above, which is still untapped. It's good to know. 16,540. So we could be looking to retest this, but slow this up. Binance is good, but has bad charts. I wouldn't really agree with that. You have the most liquidity on a Binance, you know what I mean? So usually it's been respected quite well, actually. I set a huge look back on these templates, as you can see, so it's still loading up. A bit silly of me, but yeah, we are clearly bouncing from that previous day value area high that we are talking about. Here is PDPOC. Once we're gonna lose this level, we are going back down to the 15,800. Very, very likely. That's I don't want to say that, but I'm not a financial advisor, but quite safe short. Once you're gonna lose like 16,100, quite a safe short back down to the previous day value area low. If we don't have anything in between, which I don't think that we have, but let me just check this very quickly. No, not really. I mean, it can, no, not really. We have 16K, it's a 618 and a 66. So, like, be aware of that. It can get a bounce out of this, but I think it's gonna actually reverse lower. It's gonna get some, like, small bounce and then reverse lower once you're gonna hit this. What do you think about trading on weekends? I know it's not recommended, but I have to pay bills next week. Okay, I don't know if you are kidding or not. Hopefully you are, but okay, so trading over the weekends. Personally, I'm not trading over the weekends, not day trading over the weekends. If I have some opportunity that I've been waiting for weeks, and the level is hit, then it's just like why not to take it? Like the charts are acting in a almost like similar way as they are in a weekday. So obviously, since my scalping day trading is based on a volume, it's not respected that well during like a weekend period, since there is a lot smaller amount of volume. But I don't really have anything against it in general. Why I'm not trading over the weekend is that I want to take some rest. You know what I mean? I just want to take some time off from the charts. It's not gonna help you if you will be trading every single day, like trying to push it and so on and so forth. Like for me, it's better when like my trading performance is very good. Like every single time, once I like take some rest of the charts, I'm going to like vacation or something, then like the performance is better than it was actually from like a psychological perspective and so on. But yeah, I just want to take some rest. That's and the volume. Yeah, usually there is no volume during the weekends. The InSilico terminal, yeah, you can use it directly in ExoCharts, the desktop. It's right here. You need to go to web and right here in Silico terminal. That's for executing the position. Or obviously you can connect it live to like Bybit, BitMEX, whatever it is. Aha, yeah, and by balance I meant chart settings, like for example TPs or stop losses. Okay, so you mean like inside the app or in the web browser, it's not like user friendly, I guess. Zoom out on BTC and you can see PO free setup. What's that? What's PO free setup? I don't know. What do you mean by PO free setup? Never heard about it. Accumulation, manipulation, distribution. Wait, I'm gonna check that. But since I'm not power free, okay. You mean how far should I zoom out? Like, are we talking about local price action down here, or we are talking about a weekly time frame, monthly time frame, whatever it is? I guess like local here, right? Oh yeah, I see. You're talking about this, or you're expecting this? I don't know this, guys. Power free. I'm not using this, so I'm not really familiar with that. We said daily time frame, so actually send a screenshots to a Discord. That's easier. I'm looking lower on the BTC overall still, so we'll see. We'll see how it goes. Anyway, guys, I think I'm gonna finish the stream. I'm here for 1 hour 20 minutes. Wait for the FOMC. We'll see if we're gonna get see how the PO's free stands on Google and find it on BTC chart. No, honestly, I don't want to get into it at all. Or do I? I see like millions of notes here. Just send a screenshot if you because I'm not sure if you are talking about like the overall picture or down there daily time frame. You mean the the previous range like here? Not sure. Or this one. I don't know. But anyway, thanks all for joining me today. Thanks all for spending your time here with me. Share the stream with your friends and with people interested in trading. And see ya soon. I'm gonna guys keep you updated inside the Wizards about the news and what we got. And see ya later today on Education Plus meeting inside the Wizards group. So once again, thanks all. Thank you for joining and see you next time.